You join us on a historic day for Nissan Motor Corporation and for the Datsun brand. Today, we move on to the next step as Oraga Dam becomes the first brand in the world to produce the all-new generation of Datsuns, starting with Datsun Go.
I sincerely hope that we will be able to deliver on our ambition of providing dream, access and trust for as many up-and-coming risers around the world. Tomorrow in Delhi Auto Expo, we will give a first glimpse at what the Datsun future can be with the introduction of a new concept.
Clearly the family of Go. Redi Go means this car is ready to go.
Today is the official launch of Datsun Go. So if you look around you, you can see Datsun Go in all of its colors. You can see Datsun Go with a lot of accessorization options. We know that we will bring to the market the luxury of choice. We know that our customers will make the Datsun Go part of their family. First Datsun in the 21st century.
And this is only the beginning.